The people them tired of cry for the road them fix. And all know. All know. Let me ask the Jamaican people them something. Have you ever noticed that the roads to all the all-inclusive hotels and tourist resort areas and towns are paved and look like the roads in Miami, Florida and somewhere in Canada and England? You ever notice that? But the roads in rural Jamaica, where the real people them live, and the inner cities look like something like this. Little rain fall and we wash out, don't it? Welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It's your host with the most. So the Urban Development Corporation, or the UDC, says implementation or starting of work on Main Street in Ocho St. Ann will begin on Monday, November 13th, 2017 here. The road, which serves as the major thoroughfare for pedestrians and motorists throughout the resort town, notice I said resort town, is being upgraded through the Ocho Main Street Improvement Project, which forms a part of the overall multi-billion-dollar redevelopment program for the town of Ocho Rios. A release from the principal public sector organization responsible for planning and redesigning urban development environment is designated in designated areas in Jamaica stated. Alright, so this 8-month project is valued at about 160 million Jamaican dollars and will see various government agencies, them people there, collaborating in this phase, extending for 400 meters from the Island Village complex to the Ocean Village shopping center. That is all tourist area, from the Island Village complex to the Ocean Village shopping center. The works will include upgrading and repaving of the road. They're going to upgrade and repave a road that's already paved nicely and don't need much upgrading, right? Upgrading of the drainage system and water mains so that when the rain fall heavy, this little tourist area right here will not be flooded while the rest of Jamaica wash away. And water mains landscaping, which means planting of beautiful flowers and gardening along these brand new redeveloped highways and walkways and driveways. And widening of the sidewalk, because tourists need sidewalk for walk upon. But in rural Jamaica, you can get licked down by a car or have to run up in a bush when car come. Don't ask me. Go look somewhere in a Trelawney, go look somewhere in a St. Thomas, go look in most places in Clarendon, Manchester, around a Lindsay there. So the people them tired for beg for new road and protest and block road, trying to get the government to pay attention to and actually fix the road before people start dying. As if many haven't died already on these roads. You know how much vehicle flip over and roll down a gully and kill people on these roads in rural parts of Jamaica. But of course our government chooses to focus their attention on the tourist areas. So the Ocho Rios Main Street Improvement Project is funded by Tourism Enhancement Fund with Chins Construction Limited as contractors. Missy Tourism Enhancement Funds. They should have a rural Jamaica road funds with Chins Construction, Mr. Chin in it again. Motorists, business operators and pedestrians are being encouraged to obey the instructions of the flagmen on the road, as all efforts will be made to minimize any disruption to commerce in the town during the busy tourist season. Alright. Let me close out this video by saying this. Look how long the people have been asking for their roads to be fixed. Even big artists like Popcorn come walk the street and protest with the people them, trying to get them to fill a few potholes and make some guardrails in places where cars easily slide over ditches and places where the roads have collapsed in Jamaica. But years, put it this way, from my yard to my knee, missy bad road in a Clarendon. And to this day, them bad road there, bad the same way or even worse. Right? It has been known that the politicians them do get money to fix these roads. But what they do with that money is what? They pocket the money and build themselves nice houses and buy nice cars and pay for their children to go to fancy schools and foreign vacations, etc., etc., etc. While the road them just get more and more deplorable. The only roads that are being fixed are the roads in the tourist areas. Reason being, as you can see, who is spearheading this? Chin's Construction. A Chinaman construction company has spearheaded this. So it's safe to say that the Chinaman is making sure that the road is paved from the airport right into his business. Right? While the Jamaican government gives two damns about the people who live in Jamaica. Look at the conditions of these roads. You ever see some of the pothole them in Jamaica, half a one car lost in them? Look at this. But we're focused on the tourist area. Don't you think it would be more beneficial to Jamaica if Jamaica had nice paved roads and secured railings and borders where cars slide over gully easily all around the island? That means when tourists come in, tourists could actually experience the entire Jamaica instead of being locked into a little couple of square mileage of tourist area. Because after all, in the tourist area, is bare foreigners in there. So if you're coming to Jamaica to see Jamaica, but you're stuck in a resort area, then you might as well stay in your foreign country because all you're going to see is bare foreign people just like that. So why travel to Jamaica to see Americans if you're an American? You can't stay at home and see Americans, right? If you want to see real Jamaicans, it's best to travel all around the island of Jamaica. I could talk about the little taxi driver them where make a living trying to feed their family, and the bus driver them trying to feed their family, especially on these rural roads. They make a little money and them have to spend the little money back, fix up them car, them vehicle, because the road mash up them vehicle, and they can't even afford to feed their families off of hard work. So I want my audience to chime in the comment section below and tell me, because I know say enough of you come from Jamaica and enough of you say the bad road them. Where in Jamaica are you from? And does your area have good paved roads like this picture right here? Is this how the roads look where you are from? This is certainly not how the roads look where I'm from. The road them look more like this. Right? And how many of you can relate? Don't you think it's time that the people them, the politicians them, stop pocket the money that they get to fix the roads and actually fix the roads so that Jamaicans can benefit from Jamaica instead of foreigners benefiting from Jamaica and Jamaicans bearing the brunt? Leave your comment in the comment section below. Let me hear what you have to say about this one. Remember, $160 million road work just started in a tourist town to repave roads that are already paved, to upgrade and repair ditches and drainage that has already been upgraded and repaired, to put in more landscaping to beautify the place that is already beautified, right? And the widening of sidewalks when majority of places in Jamaica, especially in rural areas, don't even have a slim sidewalk to begin with. Bang ding ding, Hollywood, cut.